welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to make crunchy almond cookies. They're crispy outside but soft in the inside. What is better than a gluten-free almond cookie at tea time with your beautiful daughters, right? Now let's start it. Believe me, it's super easy. We need to mix 1.5 cups of almond flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 salt into medium bowl. In the stand mixer bowl, whisk 1 stick butter at room temperature with 1/2 cup of powdered sugar until combined. Ooh, look at that. And add 1 egg to the batter, whisk until all combined. If you like vanilla taste, add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now add the dry ingredients to the batter, continue to mix. Whoa. We have a little wet dough. I just find out a better way to not make it messy and buttery, haha. So I use a piping bag to pipe it out to the baking tray. See, just like a macaron. At least I won't have many buttery tools to wash, right? When piping done, put the whole baking tray to the fridge to chill the dough for at least 30 minutes before baking. Turn on oven to 350 Fahrenheit. After chilling dough into the fridge for 30 minutes, you will see dough is hardened. Now time to decorate him with almond slices. Straight to the oven. Just 10 minutes baking. But wait. When oven done its job, turn off the oven heat and leave the cookies in oven for another 39 minutes to cool down. Our freshly baked almond cookies just come out from the oven. They're crunchy outside, soft inside, and the almond smells around the house will lead everyone come to the kitchen right away, I bet. Thank you for watching. We love to hear your feedback on our channel. See you tomorrow. Bye!